the 1997 Lincoln Town Car. This four-door sedan provides exceptional value. A 4.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated four-speed automatic transmission, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. It includes power seats, power trunk closing assist, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Lincoln also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.